So we're finally here. We finally made it to our 48th state, and what better way to celebrate than to be at the Oklahoma State Capitol?
Yes.
This place is huge. It's amazing. The paintings, the history, everything. It just encompasses the entire journey we've made.
Yes.
It's amazing. I mean, this is just fantastic. I can't get enough. The girls are hungry, so they're already saying, let's go down to different sections of Oklahoma City. And I agree, but it's just hard to walk away from.
You know what? It's about that time again.
Let me guess.
Tell me.
It's time to eat.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, and we heard about this place. It's kind of like a river walk. So we're really excited to check that out too. But yeah. So, Emily, are you hungry? I guess she's busy. She's counting the tiles. She's going to be doing that quite a while.
Well, she made it all the way around. She's a complete lap.
She's working up an appetite.
She's having more fun than we are.
I know.
She's like, there's so many tiles. And there's so many tiles.
And she's dancing. Hey, what I'm not going to tell her is if she takes her shoes off and it's just on socks, she can just slide.
Jinx. It's stairs, not a ledge.
Oh. Okay. Walking up to it, I literally thought it was just a drop down. It's like, yeah, I'm not going to let her down. She'll just go right for it. Cliff jumping.
It does have that effect. Not sure what the tunnel is, but we're here and we're definitely going to find out.
Yeah. It's a tunnel.
The Leon B. Field Tunnel.
So is it going under the road? We're going to check it out?
It's an adventure.
Inside my burger, and I want to eat it. Have a sweet tea. You want to know? I like sweet tea. So let's go to a parking lot.
I guess. It's not the parking lot that we were in.
It's a different parking lot.
Huh.
Oh my! Yeah.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, so the tunnel led us underneath the road across the street to a parking lot, just not ours.
And now we get to go back.
Oh, well, it was fun. So it's not a bad walk, it's all even.
Everything's an adventure.
We could leave this place, stay in bed for days. You'd be my Yoko and I'd be your John. You'd show your secret tattoo. Maybe I get one too. You and me can start a whole new chapter. Oh, when you smile at me, I can feel the whole world turning. Oh, girl, you're one of a kind. I just can't get you off my mind, and baby, we'd be unshakable. You and me, we fit so fine. Just tell me how to make you mine, and girl, we'd be unbreakable.
Y'all have lost your mind.
When do you ever have a staircase like this?
So for all you dually drivers out there, and you're going down Oklahoma City's Bricktown, follow the lead. We just parked at the Bass Pro Shop here, and then walk. It's right here. So we circled around and circled around. I couldn't find it, so Bass Pro Shop to save the day. Sophia,
Yes.
this is the best part of my day.
Huh.
That is an amazing truck.
Toyota, Ford, combined. Woohoo.
I can throw that Toyota in the back of Maximus.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Sophia, that's your first truck.
Oh, yeah. I like the color.
I haven't seen a river walk like this since San Antonio.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
This is wide open, beautiful.
And I found a bird that is the color of Cabernet Sauvignon.
A bird the color of Cabernet Sauvignon. I mean, Oklahoma, come on, guys. This is a secret you haven't been sharing with us.
Exactly.
River
Beautiful.
walks, Capitol State buildings. We got a marble slab creamery coming up, so
Oh
you
my
know
gosh, I haven't had that in years.
you know where the girls are going.
Yeah.
All I need is a bar and grill somewhere. Get me an Oklahoma burger. This is beautiful.
It is gorgeous. I had no idea Toby Keith has a restaurant. And it's called I Love This Bar and Grill.
You think he has a burger?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Well, let's go.
Hopefully they have gluten-free buns. Because I want a burger too.
Well, I'll tell you what, I can smell some goodness coming from
Smells amazing.
this bar and grill.
Oh my gosh. It smells like steak
It's a boat.
and burgers.
There's a boat coming. We got an aroma, steak and barbecue, and we got a boat headed our way. Look at that. Love it.
I like vanilla ice cream.
Nice.
This is amazing. It's raspberry sorbet, and it contains soy, not milk. So it's lactose free,
Nice.
and it's delicious.
So we stopped by the Oklahoma Visitor Center, Welcome Center, because Pam wants a magnet for the fridge and we can't find one. We went to Love's, we went to the travel centers, we went everywhere, but we can't find a magnet. And we can't leave Oklahoma without taking a little bit with us. So hopefully we'll come here and they have one. Let's check it out.
Emily can't go in.
Why?
No guns allowed. She's so strong. She can't
See what you did there. Oh, thunder and lightning.
bed. I want the bed.
And look what you found.
Oh, which one do you like better?
Is the no? Actually, this one has to go. This one has to go.
The bison.
Where's the bison?
Right there.
This
Says-
one? There's a bison right here too.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh wow. There's another one. You have too many options. I don't know what to do.
What about the sunset?
No. Oh, there's one right here.
Okay, stop. That's too much. I don't know. I can't make decisions like this.
You went from having no magnets to having your arm full of them.
Yes. I know, right? I do really like the bird. And since I saw one at the Capitol today, I think that's the one.
You know what I say?
What?
Get two.
Get to the bison and the
Done.
done. Sounds good. We gotta fill up that fridge. It's a big one. We haven't gotten our Christmas ornament yet in Oklahoma. The camper. I do like the Oklahoma one, but I need something less fragile for the ring.
Like wood.
Yes, exactly. That's why I always try to go for the wood or the little metal ones. So we gotta keep looking. Let's look around for that.
How about a keychain?
Oh, I think there's some over there. A keychain. You're putting a keychain in the tree?
Let's put the whole bison.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Wow, that is not rig friendly. That's a weight. That is like a door stopper. Ooh. Wow. 2 pounds at least. Perfect. All right, now I have a great idea. We can get the Oklahoma bison Christmas ornament instead of the magnet.
What?
That way we have one Oklahoma magnet.
We can have them both.
You're hilarious.
A matching set.
That's nice. No, I like this one. It's cute. And we don't have one made out of whatever this is.
Felt.
Felt. Yes, that's the word of the day. Felt. Oh, see? Mission accomplished. This was the quickest stop ever.
This one was over there.
So I think you guys hit the jackpot.
I know, right? We got everything we need.
You got magnets, you got Christmas ornaments.
Yes. My mom got a cup. How awesome.
We knocked it out of the park.
We did. We did Oklahoma City and the state of Oklahoma, of course. So that was awesome. We had a great stay here.
Now it's time
To do it all again?
to do it all again.
I wouldn't mind coming back here. I have to say that. It's beautiful. So we are in Oklahoma City this week, and we're at the Twin Fountain RV Resort. Here, we don't have to take Maximus to see any of the attractions. He actually gets the day off. They have a limo service, free limo service, to go to all the attractions that are about 3 miles around this area. So we're gonna take the kids to the Oklahoma City Zoo today. So we're super excited, and I can't wait to take you along. So we're headed to the office to let them know that we're going to the zoo, and this is the limo we're taking. How awesome is that? I don't think we've ever done that before. So we get to be in a white limo today, even more special. How exciting. I think that's our favorite part of this whole trip to the zoo, is getting to do it in a limo. Get them going in if that's okay.
You want a picture with all y'all together? Okay.
We'll do it when we get there if you want. Or do you have to kick us out right away?
Well, when we get there, they'll be right in the front.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if they'll...
Oh, then you can't get out?
Did it, Dragon!
What do you think, girls?
This is so cool.
Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yay!
Don't forget to buckle up.
Okay, we'll buckle up. How cool. Yep. That was so epic. I can't believe we just took a limo to a zoo. How fun.
Here's to ride into the sunset. Felt like Juliet. On my way to meet my lover. A dream uncovered. I long to belong.
I have to say the Oklahoma City Zoo is one of the best, well-kept, animal-friendly zoo I've been to. It's actually in the top 10 of the nation. I had no idea. So we're so glad we came here. The girls are loving it. Continuing to have fun. So this is the first zoo that I've ever been to where they actually have an animal hospital that you can go into, and they have a piece of a tusk from an elephant, and you won't believe how heavy it is. Just a piece of it. I mean, Sophia can't lift it up. That's crazy.
You try?
Yeah. Wow. That is heavy. Wow. That is super heavy, and I can't believe how solid that tusk is. How amazing. You want to pick it up too? Here, put your hands underneath and try to. Oh my goodness, I don't think you can. So if you come to the Oklahoma City Zoo early in the morning, you might be able to go to the animal hospital and see them actually doing surgery or x-rays or anything that they're doing to the animals through the windows. How amazing is that?
And we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose. I'm a wave in your sea, and you made me dive into the unknown. Nothing to lose. Oh, we got nothing to lose. Oh, and we've got nothing to lose. I'm a wave in the sea, and you made me dive into the unknown.
Our day at the zoo is coming to an end. We had an absolute blast. We're gonna ride the limo back to the RV resort, cook some dinner, and yeah, we're just excited we got to take you along, and it was absolutely beautiful. I can totally recommend the Oklahoma City Zoo. Beautiful place to take your family or just hang out for the day. Very nice.
What are you doing?
This is called relaxing while brushing a goat. It's better than therapy. What up?